In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the engine oil on this BMW 535i xDrive. Let's get into it. And before we raise the vehicle, we're going to take the cap off for the oil filter housing. You're going to need a tool. This is a 86.5 millimeter adapter for the oil filter housing. Take this off, and we're just going to let the oil drain down and pull the filter out. And there's a little bit of extra oil down here. I'm just going to use a fluid extraction pump and just get some of that out of there, just so we don't get the new filter dirty. That's fine. Take as much out as you can. I'm going to take off the O-rings. I've got a little pick right here. I'm just going to get underneath there. Slide that off. Take the new one and just put that in the same spot. It's going to go right there. And we have this little one as well. Take that one off just with the pick. Take the new one and just put it over there. Now you just want to take a little engine oil and lubricate the O-rings. Just a thin coat of engine oil, that's good. Take the filter, slide that over, that's good. Now we're going to reinstall it. Just go slow. Tighten this down. Just make sure the O-ring doesn't pop out. I'm going to torque this to 42 inch-pounds. That's good. Underneath the vehicle, you can see where the drain plug is. There should be a cover right here. You can use an 8 millimeter socket, take the bolts out. This vehicle does not have one, so we can access the drain plug there. Use a 17 millimeter socket, have a drain bucket underneath. And take the drain plug out. You can take the seal off. We're going to replace that seal. And take the drain plug, put the new seal on. Now that the oil's drained out, put that back. And we'll torque this to 19 foot-pounds. That's good. You can clean up any excess with some brake parts cleaner. Just clean that up. Wipe that with a rag if you want. And you want to put that cover back on and secure those screws. Now under the hood, take the cap off, just twist it to the left, and this one folds over. I'm just going to use a clean funnel. You want to use the appropriate synthetic oil. We're using 5W30. This vehicle is going to take 6.9 quarts. All right, we put a little less than 7 quarts in. I'll take the funnel. I'll just take a rag so I don't spill it. Put the cap on, twist it to the right. Then we're going to check the level. We have to do that from inside the vehicle because this vehicle does not have a dipstick. Now we're going to start the car. Now when you're on this screen, we're going to scroll through. You're going to use the controls right here behind the shifter. Just going to push down in the center. We're going to go to service info, scroll down, Select that. Then we want to go to engine oil level. Select that. So we have to let the vehicle run. You want to make sure you're on a level surface. And after a while, it's going to do its thing and figure out what the oil level is. So we just need to wait for that to happen. It shows it's acquiring the level. This could take several minutes. And we can see now this updated, so the oil level is okay. So we know the level is good. So we can shut the vehicle off. I'll turn the key to the on position with the engine off. Then we're going to scroll over here on the side till we get to where it says the temperature and the time. This doesn't have the time. Then over on the odometer, just push and hold that button. Keep holding it until you see the car on the lift, then let go. And we're going to scroll through, keep pushing the odometer button until you get to the oil life. When we're on the oil life, push down and hold. And you can see the reset. Let off the button again. Now we're going to hold the button down until the mileage resets at the base. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.